Pinasa mo lang? Anak, may team ka na ba sa business mo? Kung oo, let me ask this. Kapag may task kang binigay sa kanila, totoo bang delegated yon o baka namang abdicated? Kasi anak, magkaiba yon. Abdication means pinasa mo lang ang trabaho sa iba. Tapos umalis ka na. Parang sinasabi mong bahala ka na dyan. Kahit hindi ka sure kung naintindihan ba nila ang gagawin. You did not pass the task. You also gave away your role as the leader. Delegation, on the other hand, means pinagawa mo sa iba pero may guidance. You still explain clearly what to do, check their progress, and make sure they understand what done right looks like. Let me tell you about Liza. May digital printing shop siya. One day, sabi niya sa assistant niya, pakiasikaso muna ang orders ha. Marami pa akong kailangang ayusin sa marketing. After 2 weeks, may reklamo ang client. Mali ang print at late pa ang delivery. Siyempre nagalit si Liza. Pero nung tinanong ko siya, sino ba ang dapat mag-final check? Tahimik siya at napaisip. That is abdication, anak. You see, she just passed the task but not how to do the task step by step. Anak, ang lesson ay ito. Delegation is not about letting go of control. It's about building confidence, clarity, and accountability. Ikaw pa rin ang leader. Hindi mo kailangan gawin lahat but you still need to know what's happening. Because at the end of the day, the results still carry your name. Kaya don't just hand off. Hand over with guidance. That's real leadership. Let's be business-minded, Pinoy.